Hello everyone, this is Mr. Sichinga Iford and welcome to Sichinga Online Math. This video is an introduction to many videos that I'll do to show the solutions to the questions that were given in the 2025 GCE Mathematics Paper 1 and Mathematics Paper 2. So for this video, I'll show the solutions to question 1 up to 3, which is basically on page 1. So if we start with question 1 here, this is on algebra and it reads simplify 2 in brackets y minus 3, then negative 3 in brackets 2 minus y. So I'll start by multiplying 2 times y, which gives 2y, then 2 times negative 3, that gives negative 6, then negative 3 times 2, that also gives negative 6, then negative 3 times negative y, that gives positive 3y. Then collect like terms, which is 2y plus 3y, then minus 6 minus 6. So now for 2y plus 3y, this here is 5y, then minus 6 minus 6, this is addition in negative, so this gives minus 12. So the answer here on the answer space that will be written is 5y minus 12. So 2 marks for this part here. Alright, so moving on to the second question, which is on indices or index notation. This question reads, evaluate in brackets 4th root of 16 over 81 to the power 3. So all this in brackets is to the power 3. So I'll start by finding the 4th root of 16 and 81. So to start with, the 4th root of 16, this here is a number that multiplies itself 4 times to give 16, so which is basically 2. Then for 4th root of 81, this is also a number that multiplies 4 times to give 81, and that is 3. So now for 2 over 3, we are going to apply power 3 to this, and what this simply means is this power 3 will be applied to 2, so 2 to the power 3, and also this 3 will have power 3, so the power 3 applies to 2 and also to 3. So now this will equal to, so for 2 to the power 3, this is the same as 2 times 2 times 2, then over 3 to the power 3, this is 3 times 3 times 3. So now for the numerator, 2 times 2 times 2, that gives 8, and below 3 times 3 times 3, that is 27. So this fraction cannot be simplified, and therefore this is the answer, 8 over 27. So again, 2 marks for this question here. Alright, so going to the last question, which reads factorize completely 2ab minus 3b plus 10a minus 15. To factorize this expression completely, I'm going to use the method factorization by grouping of terms, where I identify what is common between two terms and then group them, factor out what is common from those two terms. So for the first two terms, these two terms have got something in common, which is b. Even for the last two terms, there we can factor out a number, which is 5. So I'll group the first two, which is 2ab minus 3b, I'll put brackets, and then plus 10a minus 15. So even these two have something in common. So for the first two terms, b is common, so I'll factor out b, and this leaves us with the 2a minus 3 in the first group. Then in the second group, positive 5 is common, so I'll factor out 5, and then this leaves us with the 2a, because 5 into 10a, that gives 2a. then minus 5 into 15, that gives a 3. So now what we have in brackets is the same, so we simplify 1 and then collect b plus 5, then also write 2a minus 3. So this here is the solution to the question factorized completely, 2ab minus 3b plus 10a minus 15. So this is what I'll write on the answer space here: b plus 5 in brackets and 2a minus 3 in brackets. All right, so this is the solution for this part here. Thank you so much for watching this video.